In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your Figma designs as PDF files for sharing, presenting, or printing. Start by opening the Figma file that contains the design you want to export. Next, select the frame or page you want to save as a PDF. Make sure all the content you want included is inside the selected frame. With the frame selected, look for the Export section in the right-hand Properties panel. Click the plus icon to add an export setting if one is not already available. In the Export Format drop-down menu, change the file type to PDF. If you're exporting multiple frames, select all the frames you want to include before exporting. Once the PDF format is selected, click the Export button. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the file and confirm the export. After the export is complete, open the PDF to make sure everything appears correctly and that all pages, images, and text are displayed as expected. PDF exports are great for client presentations, design reviews, documentation, portfolios, and print-ready files. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Figma design as a PDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.